Apple's next event is set to take place in March, and it's packed with exciting Apple tech. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Apple has lined up its first event of the year, and it's invited members of the press to an Apple experience that's taking place in New York City on March 4th. It hasn't yet confirmed whether it'll stream the event publicly, but according to Mac Rumors, versions of this Apple experience will also take place simultaneously in London and Shanghai. It looks like Apple will take this opportunity to unfold its latest slate of iPads and MacBooks. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reported earlier this month that Apple was planning to make a number of hardware announcements as early as the first week of March. The lineup is expected to include a new MacBook Air and refreshed 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pros, with the M5 Pro and M5 Max making their debuts. Whispers are also heard that Apple's likely to announce a new entry-level budget-friendly MacBook that'll be available in light yellow, light green, blue, and pink colors. Plus, we may even see new iPads here, or perhaps a little farther down the line, including an entry-level model with an A18 chip that's capable of supporting Apple Intelligence features. The iPad Air could also be in line for an upgrade, as well as it may launch M4 chip to that line. Apple's also expected to roll out updated versions of the Mac Studio, Studio Display, and Mac Mini later this year. With March just around the corner and a stack so high, Apple fans better mark their calendars right now. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.